concept, you're going to be completely lost. You have to understand that there are certain things that you can do. For example, going back to this right here, there's certain things that you can do. Idea number one, buy something for $1 and sell it for a higher amount, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to show you. Let me go over here to my notes. Let's go over here. Let's dive right in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you a simple example of what you can do. And this is going to be really cool. So for this example, I'm going to use a service called Canva. Okay, Canva has a free option and a paid option. I use the paid option because it's pretty cheap. But watch this. Okay, watch how simple this is. Canva logos. I'm going to go over here to Canva and I'm just going to do a Google search. Canva logos. And I'm going to click on the first link here, and it's going to take me to a bunch of logo templates. And also, I'm going to notice all these other templates. Look, book covers, bookmarks, brochures, business cards, calendars. These are things that people pay a lot of money for, but I'm just going to look at logos. And then in the logos, look at all these different types of logos right here. Okay, you've got types of logos for every business. Now, watch how simple this is. I need you to understand how simple these things are. Okay, so just look at all of these logos and like you could really just have some fun. Let's go to the next page. Just look at there's thousands of logos, just thousands. Let's just choose one. I don't even care. Let's choose this one right here. Gladiators basketball. And then you just click use this template. And what's going to happen is it's going to pop it all right here into Canva, which is like a little graphic editor. And watch this. All you have to do is change the words, just change Chris. Change that, and then it could be record. Okay, look at that. Or whatever you want to do. You could do anything you want. Let's make it say Chris Record, and then I can make it a little bit smaller. See how simple this is? Chris Record, and then we can do YouTube. You know, Chris Record, social media. You know, just like that. Look at how simple this is. Chris Record, social media. You can design logos in seconds because this looks good. Now, a lot of you might be saying, well, logo design is way harder. There's all this custom stuff. Why? Why does there need to be? Look, let's go down, add new page, and let's go choose any one of these logos right here. You know, look at this. Look at how simple this stuff is. Chris Record, and let's say follow me at Chris Record. And notice how that's that cut over on the line, whatever. That looks pretty good right there. Let's do a new page. Look at how, okay, well, how many entrepreneurs have logos? Right? Not as many entrepreneurs have logos as you'd believe, you know? So like, look at this, like just something as simple as like record investments, okay? Look at how simple these logos are. Just showing you. Now, what kind of logos can you make? You can make product logos. You can make, you know, YouTube channel logos, you know? You could go find an influencer and, you know, let's just say like, you could just find an influencer like David Ortiz or something like that. There you go. There's a logo of some random person, right? And you can go make a logo for them. So simple. Look at this, Chris Record. Or maybe you go, okay, well, Chris Record already has logo. Okay, well, Record Breakers, right? And look at how simple this is. Just like that, there's a logo. So this is a starting point, right? The starting point is realizing that it's so easy to be able to, you know, create logos just like this in seconds. It's literally this easy. Look at all these logos that we are creating in seconds. Now, if you want to save one of these logos, you just render forest, for example, right here. Let's go to this one right here, and let's have some fun with it, okay? So place your logo here, change the logo. Let's browse my media library. Let's go to my desktop, and let's type that logo in. There's that logo, okay? And let's confirm that one. So there's my logo. And then this one here, let's do chrisrecord.com, save and close, and let's take a look at that. Now, next, music. Let's choose that one or that one. Ooh, that one's kind of nice. I like that one. Let's choose that beat logo right there, electric beat logo. Let's go to preview and let's export this in high quality and let's render this. So this is in queue. We're going to check back on this in a couple of minutes. But what's happening is sites like this, render for us. Let's open this up in a new window. Sites like this actually have all of these templates ready to go. You know, they've got all of these different things, you know, logo reveals, explainer videos, logo animations, slideshows that flip. There's so many cool things that they already have done for you, company presentations. So all of these things can be resold for a lot of money. And the thing is people are willing to pay a lot for this kind of stuff. You can literally just create. Look at how simple this is. You go here and you create. You can drop a background image there, a logo there. You can change the author name and the track name, you know, Chris Record, and let's do Entrepreneurs Got Choices. This doesn't require any kind of coding or anything like that. Background image, you know, you could just put different stuff there. Let's go this one. Let's do that logo that we just did. Insert right there. We'll use that as the background image right there. And over here, we'll just use like this one. Let's use this one here. Okay, there's just a couple images, whatever, confirm, boom. It doesn't matter what images those are because I'm just showing you, right? And then you go over here and you can choose which style you want. Let's choose this one in the middle. And then you can choose which music you want. You know, let's say Entrepreneurs Got Choices right there. And then you can preview, and we're gonna export that one to high quality. So meanwhile, this one's already at 73%. So this is really cool because what you're, logo animation, okay. So this is the point, right? So buy something for $1. So why I say $1 is because I have 27 renders left this month, right? So Render Forest, you can choose plans. Let me go ahead and render this really quick, and then let me go over here to pricing. Okay, so Render Forest, for example, has these plans. You could be on $29 per month, which gets you 30 videos per month, okay? So that's roughly $1 per video. $50 per month gets you 50 videos, right? So that's roughly $1 per video. No watermarks, you know, gives you a bunch of commercial tracks you can use. And if you're doing a lot, you can come over here, right? So, and literally, like, look at this one, you know, this one has watermarks, but even over here, 15 bucks gets you 10. So literally, you can come over here and for $1 per logo animation, you've got a tool that you can go do tons of logo animations. Okay, so you can go over here, look at all the stuff you could do just with this one. You can create infographics, all this kind of stuff, intro, colorful logos, dark logos, burning, bright, holiday, retro. Look at just all this cool stuff that you have here. You can choose any one of these, right? And you can just press play and you can preview them all. Look at that, the particles burst into a logo. Just that simple. So you can create a logo like this in 1 minute on Canva, make it transparent, and then come over here and do it. In fact, let's go back to Canva and let's do it right now, okay? Let's go back to Canva and let's do a new page. Let me just show you again. I want to continue to explain how simple this is, okay? Let's go to this group. Let's do this one right here. Let's see, Record Realty Group, okay? Record Real Estate Investments LLC, okay? Record Real Estate Investments LLC. See how fast that was? What was that? 10 seconds? Just 10 seconds, right? Let me see it. That's number 7. So look at that, 10 seconds, you guys, and I could teach this in detail. Transparent background, download number 7, download, hold tight, it's preparing my design. Drink a glass of water real quick. And it's ready. Record Investments logo, okay? Record Real Estate Investments is now in business. Let's take a look at it. There it is. I'll crop it a little bit, just make it a little bit tighter. Tools crop, again, look at that, simple, right? So there's Record Investments and it's ready to go. And then what do? You come on over here to this 3D intro right here. You click on it and click Create Now. And look, you don't even need a logo. Oh my God, this is even easier than I thought. Record Investments. Look at that. Save and close. Oh, look at this. So cool. chrisrecord.com. Wow, I didn't even need a logo. It's even easier than that. And then look, color. We could choose all this color. Maybe you want to do orange because everybody loves orange. Who doesn't love orange, right? So maybe you want to do some orange. And maybe you want to go over to music and choose something cool. Clean corporate finesse right there. What else? Soft particles. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, and look at all these different types they have here. Tons of music. You can upload your own music if you want. Really simple, right? Let's just use soft particles. Let's go here and let's export that high quality and let's render. Look at how fast I'm doing this. This is insane, right? This is literally insane. So this one here is now downloaded or done. And this was my first example logo animation that I wanted to show you guys. This is the one that we just did a couple minutes ago. And just like that, let's marvel at how simple this was. Look at that. That's epic. Let's watch it again for good measure. Listen, look at this. This is literally, how long did it take me to create the logo? Less than 1 minute.